Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes with a focus on one of the most powerful conversion kits out there. If you're looking to turn your regular bicycle into an electric powerhouse, you're in the right place. This is the best 2000W Ebike conversion kit you can find on the market. The best 2000W Ebike conversion kit stands out for its robust performance and ease of installation, making it ideal for those looking to upgrade their biking experience without splurging on a brand new electric bike. Now, let's break down what makes this kit so impressive. It comes with a powerful 2000-watt motor, which provides ample torque and speed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through city streets, this kit ensures a smooth and efficient ride. One of the standout features is its versatility. Designed to fit most standard bikes, this kit includes everything you need for the conversion process, from the motor and controller to the battery pack and all necessary wiring. Installation is straightforward, even for those new to DIY projects. Detailed instructions guide you through each step, ensuring you can complete the conversion in just a few hours with basic tools. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, this conversion kit transforms your bike into a reliable electric vehicle that's both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Safety is always a priority, and this kit includes built-in features like overcharge protection and a sturdy frame mount for the battery pack. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even under demanding conditions. In conclusion, the best 2000W Ebike conversion kit offers exceptional value for anyone looking to upgrade their ride. From its powerful motor to its user-friendly installation process, it's clear why this kit is a favorite among biking enthusiasts. That wraps up our review of the best 2000W Ebike conversion kit. If you're interested in transforming your bicycle into an electric marvel, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.